is Marek buys a computer for $420. Okay, so this is the cost price. I'm going to write a cost price is equals to $420. He sell it at a loss of 15%. So loss percent is given, which is we can write here 15. Okay, calculate the selling price of this computer. We have to identify what is the selling price of this computer. So first thing is like loss percent is given, right? So loss on what? Always when we calculate loss percent or the profit percent, it is always going to be on the cost price. Okay, so whatever the cost price, for that he is going to sell it at a loss. So that means we have to find out 15% of 420. That is going to be loss. Okay, so loss is equals to 15 percentage. So of that means multiplication percent divided by 100 into 420. We are cancelling this one. If you want, you can use calculator. 5 into 3, 5 into 2, and this is going to be 2163. So loss is nothing but $63. So now selling price in case of loss is always cost price minus loss. So cost price was 420 minus 63. Okay, so we need to subtract it. So we are going to get 357. So this is how we solve for the percentage loss, or if there is a percentage gain as well, we can use gain here, and then final answer like in selling price, in that scenario gain will be plus. So if there is a gain, I am going to write here, then we can write selling price is equals to cost price plus gain. Okay, but in this case it was a loss, so that's why we subtracted it. Okay, percentage we are going to calculate like a same way. Okay, now next question. Nina changes euros 153 into the dollar when the exchange rate is $1 is equals to 0.9 euros. So I am going to write here for such questions. What I have to write here? I am writing here dollar and here is euros. Okay, now exchange rate is given. $1 is equals to 0.9 euro. Now what we have to find out? Nina is going to convert the euros into the dollar, right? Dollar we don't know, but we know the euro, which is 153. Now we have to just simply do cross multiplication. X into 0.9 is equals to 153. Okay, so this 9.9 will go on this side. I will write here 153. 0.9. Without calculator, how we can solve it? We have to just remove this one. 0 will come here. So x is going to be 1530 divided by 9. Now 1 plus 5, 6 plus 3 is 9. That means it is divisible by 9. We can simply write it 9 into 1 is 9. 6, 9 into 7 is 63, and 0 will come here. So x is equals to $170. So Nina is going to receive $170 when she is giving 153 euros. Okay. Now from this question, 11, 13, 15, 17 and 19, from this list write down the number that is both a prime number as well as a factor of 195. So first of all, we will try to understand what is prime number. Okay, the number which is divisible by 1 or itself is a prime number, or if the number does not have any factor except like 1. If like suppose 11 does not have any factor, right? If I say 5 does not have any factor, we can just divide by 5 we'll get 1. Apart from that number itself, if there is no other, like if I write 4 have factor, it is divisible by 4, it is divisible by 2, so we can't say, like we can say it is not a prime number. So prime number is basically 2. 1 is neither a prime number nor a composite number. Okay, so 3, 5 is a prime number, then we can write 7 is a prime number, 9 is not a prime number, 11 is a prime number, then 13 is a prime number, then 17 is a prime number, 19 is a prime number. Like this we can write. So from here what we can say, 11 is, 13 is a prime number, 17 is a prime number, and 19 is a prime number. But the question is, there are two conditions. One is a prime number, and other it should be a factor of 195. 195. Okay, so what are the number? 11. 11, if we'll try to, like, first of all we need to factorize this. Okay, since it is ending with 5, I will try to divide by 5. 5 into 3 is 15. 5 into 9 is 45. Now it is going to be divisible by 3 because 3 plus 9 is 12. So 3, 13. So this is the factor of 195. Okay. So this is like how we can express any number is given, we can express in the prime factor of the number. Now from here the list we know 5, 3 and 13 is a prime number, fine, but from the list whatever the given we need to check which one is matching. So only matching value if we'll see here, 13 is matching with